Hi guys, in today's video we are putting curtains up, curtain rods using these kind of brackets and self-tapping screws. So these are screws that have kind of a drill bit at the end. They're called self-tapping because they tap themselves in. The reason I'm using them because on the above the window there is a metal beam that is supporting the roof. So as soon as I drilled into the plasterboard, I hit the metal. So I went and bought these from Screwfix. They're only like £8 for a package of 100, and they don't need any roll plugs, and they're really fast and much stronger than just a roll plug in a plasterboard. So first I need to measure roughly 5 to 7 centimeter above this line, which is 24, and I would go 5 centimeter out. So 2 holes here, 2 centimeter apart, and there we go. So that's one gone to the metal. You see, there's a bearing here which I can hold, and allows me to hold onto my screwdriver bit. Take it out. And we put the brackets on. Now, new build homes, they all have plasterboards and they're not that strong. So you need to go to the metal to have long-lasting brackets. Okay, same on the other side. My drill bit has got this joint here which bends for fitting underneath the bracket or any other tight places. Okay. Oh yeah, there are 2 brackets here, and that's it. Okay, so the metal rod is up, it just clicks in, but sometimes they have a screw here where you can tighten, but this one doesn't. So the way to put these actual curtains in, you have to keep folding. So the first one is going to show the outer side, not the inner side. So you fold it this way. Then every other one folds on top of it, like that, in a zigzag manner. Okay, then you pick the rod out and you feed them through one by one. There we go, like that.